Okay guys, so back to food. So today is about actually doing a bit of meal prep. So you might find it easier to eat healthy if maybe you do a little preparation. So cook ahead, freeze it down, grab some little containers, and it'll be much easier to prepare dinners when you just don't have the energy. Okay, so here is the outcome of my chicken. Lots of chicken there, which is great. And guess what? You can make soup with the bones. So put your chicken bones in a pot of water and then simmer them for as long as you need, and it makes a really yummy chicken broth, which will make a really nice soup. And add the leftover chicken from last night. Simmer away. The longer you simmer it, the yummier it is, and use a masher just to break up some of the chunky bits. Then you've got soup and a big pot of it that can last a whole week. Don't forget to freeze it down too, it's a great idea.